Alright guys, we are back. Same location, different victim. Steve's just changed the battery in his Notorious. So we've just been hitting them grass verges with my kraton and Steve's Notorious. I hit LVC, so that's one card down. I don't have any more packs for it, but I do have two 4S packs for this. So hopefully I get to run them both. We should see how it goes. So let's get into it. Oh, right on the side. Beautiful. Oh, actually guys, one thing I did forget, I forgot to mention, I'm running a modification on this at the moment so as to stop breaking the arms on the rears, because where the suspension goes into the arms, that has always been a weak point for me, and it always seems to break straight across there. But I've got a modification on it now. Hopefully it'll work. If it does work, I will share it with the rest of the world, a bit like my mod I've done on my kraton. But until it works, until I've tested it and proved that it's good, I will share it. But for now, you'll have to wait. Oh, cleared it with ease. You're gonna have to do that again. I was in the wrong position for the sunlight. Mate, you absolutely smashed that. Yeah, Steve's going for attempt number 2. Guys, cleared that with ease. I don't know if you see it from the sunlight, I was in the wrong side. But I've now moved side, so now we should get a good view. Oh, perfect. And a wash at the end of it. Yeah. I thought I'd only do a single to start with. Oh.
Not liking that bin though. Who put that bin there? Seriously, who put that there?
They should have known that RC cars were going to come play here.
Think of his bloody RC code.
Bin.
Oh, I was close to that bin.
Oh, one of them broke.
You're going in. I bet your ball's popped up there, mate.
No. My whole front arm. This is what I'm talking about. Where the suspension fits into that little pin, that is the weak spot. Now I know it's on the front arms as well. I will come up with a modification for the front arm, like I have done on the back one, and then hopefully it won't break anymore. But I can't be bothered to fix it on it out here.
That's big ad again.
No, so I'm gonna leave it as it is.
Broken arm, guys.
Right, anyway, now I know it can do that bad boy and get over. I'm happy. But for now, guys, I can't be asked to fix it. It's too cold, so I'm just going to watch Steve rip the hell out of his Notorious 6S. Yeah, Creighton's going home in one piece. And did you know, that arm is the same arm that I broke before?
Exactly the same one?
Exactly the same one.
Always, I think I broke some on mine, didn't I? A few times.
No, Joe, I broke it down at the playground.
Yeah.
That arm is still on that car. Really? So Joe, where I ripped the pin through, yeah, that arm is still on there. So it just goes to show that mod works and you can reuse the arm no matter what. But Steve needs to do it to his Notorious. and then it will be unstoppable. Steve's going for it. Hang on, let me get this side because the sun's in my eyes. Alright guys, Steve's going to go for it. He's going to go for the big half pipe send. Do you know what? That was such a soft landing. That was such a soft landing, and it backflipped over the pole, which I thought was quite good. Yeah. Oh, just made that round. Oh! On that rear tail. Oh, nice. Little bit of a front nose wheelie there. Oh, rear. Oh, I get it. And again, front little wheelie. Oh, I heard a crunch. Up. Distance end. He's coming back. Nice. Nicely done. I didn't think he was going to get around that other one, but then I remembered you got a notorious and it just spins like mad. Like that. Nice. That's mad how quick that spins around. Did it as well. Nice. Oh, got a bit of out of control there. Guys, I don't even notice it's a bit soft there. Oh, nice save. Ah. That's it, guys. Flip side has it. LVC. So what do you reckon then, Steve?
I love this car, mate.
Nice, isn't it?
Definitely one of my favourite cars to drive at the minute. Definitely.
Have you told people about your new car yet?
Not yet.
No?
No, there's a new car coming. Very, very well. I've already got the car. I just ain't had time to run it yet, but it's going to be running. I'm going to run it next. Yes, looking forward to that one as well.
So guys, stay tuned for that video. That should be really good. But we've got to try and think of where's best to take it. So once we've decided where we think's best, and all the cars are back up and running, like I say, I just need a new front arm for my KAGAMA, which I've already got. I just can't be bothered to fix it. And I've actually got some 3D printed arms that I made for that as well. I might try them actually, to be fair. But guys, yeah, that is us, we're done. So this was our new location we come to. It's not too bad. Had a few good sends. Steve, what do you reckon to this new spot?
It's alright, you know. I think it would be a lot better in the summer when it ain't so boggy, and you'll definitely get a better drive off here.
Yeah, it's a bit wet, isn't it?
Because you just, yeah, you get a lot of wheel spin on it.
Yeah, overall, happy?
Not yeah, not a bad little spot. I might try and go and move that bin if I can.
rip it out of the floor. Right, but guys, we are done. Notorious's batteries are flat, Kraton batteries are flat, and the KAGAMA has got a broken front arm. But for me, flip side, Guys, we're out.